Hello, class. My name is Matt Hone, and I'm here to discuss the career path that I have chosen. I have chosen to become a YMCA sports counselor. Now, the reason why I chose this particular career option is because number one, I love sports. Number two, I really enjoy working with kids. I've spent several years coaching youth football, youth baseball, and other sports, and I really enjoy seeing kids being able to excel and seeing kids to be able to tap into that potential. Seeing their improvement, seeing their progression, and having kids of my own. It's something that really brings me joy and something that I really feel is almost not a service, but in a way giving back. You're able to teach kids valuable skills and teach them how to coexist with a team, teach them leadership skills, teach them how to work with other people and how to solve problems and issues that arise during a course of a season and playing sports. And it's something that I'm passionate about, and I feel that it would be a good career choice for me moving forward with this degree. And it's something that I can use this degree for. All right. Thank you.